So I think we are live now. Hello students and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. So SEBI grade A 2020 notifications is out. So let me just check if everything is working properly so that we can start the today's session. Okay. So give me a minute before we can test if everything is working properly. So I think everything is working properly. So SEBI grade A 2020 notification is out, and today I'm going to share the insights of that notification. I'll do the analysis of the notification. I have gone through the complete notification. I have already started the course on bankexamstudy.com. You can check the course. In that next few days, in the upcoming days, I'll be sharing important study material for the SEBI grade A exam, right? Even in 2018, we did the course as well. So number of vacancies in the general stream, that's what we are focusing on, is 80. So for the total vacancies for other streams, it's total 147. But for the general, that's what I am going to focus. That is what my forte is, right? The important dates: online application and payment of fee is 7th of March to 23rd of March. Call letters would be available a week before the exam, and phase 1 exam is going to be held on 12th of April, and phase 2 exam is going to be held on 3rd of May, and then there will be interview. So two exam is to be, the selection criteria, it's in, there is phase 1 and then phase 2 and then phase 3. 3 steps selection process. Okay. So that's what it is. Syllabus, I'll be telling the syllabus on my website. I'll be sharing the syllabus on bankexamstudy.com only. So eligibility criteria: maximum age is 30 years. So as on 29th of February 2020. So the candidate must have born on or after 1st of March to 1990, right? Relaxation is available to SC/ST candidates for 5 years and 3 years in case of OBC, right? तो ये एज का क्राइटेरिया है. व्हाट अबाउट द एजुकेशन? देयर इज अ चेंज इन द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर द एजुकेशन. ये बहुत एक ड्रास्टिक चेंज है. इधर यू शुड हैव अ मास्टर डिग्री इन एनी डिसिप्लिन, अदरवाइज अ बैचलर डिग्री इन लॉ, इंजीनियरिंग or CA, CFA, CS or cost accountant. If you have done those degrees, then you are eligible. Who is not eligible? If you have just done BCom. If you have done BCom, you are not eligible. If you have done MCom, then you are eligible. If you have done BA, you are not eligible. If you have done MA in any stream, you are eligible, right? If you have done BTech, you are eligible. If you have done LLB, you are eligible, right? And if you have done CA, CS, CFA, you are eligible anyway, right? वो तो clearly mentioned है, ठीक है? So BA, BCom, these, if you have done these degrees only, you are not eligible, simply clearly mentioned, okay? Even any other degree, which is not engineering or the LLB, if you have done just graduation, then you are not eligible, ठीक है? ये clear है. Then application fee is little high. It is 1000 rupee for the general category candidates and 100 rupee for the SC/ST PWD. 1000 rupees way too high according to me, but this is what it is. 1000 rupees le rahe hain. And then the examination pattern for phase 1. It is for all stream. There will be 2 papers, right? 2 sections, 2 papers, 2 different separate papers for phase 1, and then for the phase 2 as well. For the phase 1, in the paper 1, there is general awareness, English language, cognitive aptitude, test of reasoning. Maximum marks 100 and duration is 60 minutes, and the cutoff is clearly mentioned on the website is 30%. So 30% is the cutoff. So general awareness, similar to RBI grade B, general awareness with focus on financial sector. Whatever we are already doing in RBI grade B, specific, and while having a focus on the financial markets, I'll be sharing proper digest for SEBI grade A on this channel only. Subscribe the channel. English language, cognitive aptitude, test of reasoning, similar to IBPS PO RBI grade B, right? So general awareness thoda sa different है from IBPS PO level exam, even from the RBI grade B level exam, because there are financial market ka GA is there, okay, a little. And then in the general stream paper 2, proper syllabus is given. In the next slides, I'll be sharing that. There is commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, companies act. Economics seems really huge, but it is not. If you're already preparing for RBI grade B, NABARD grade A, UPSC, or even if for IBPS PO level exams, you can do this, right? So cutoff would be 40% for paper 2. The aggregate cutoff is 40%. If you score 30% here, 40%, you will fail, right? You need to score 40% aggregate. If you are able to score 40%, there will be no other cutoff, right? Everybody who scores 40%, he'll be eligible for the phase 2, right? And even for the phase 2, the cutoff is clearly mentioned. There is a trend nowadays. The cutoff is clearly mentioned on the notification that 40% is our cutoff. There is no competitive cutoff, right? There is no relative cutoff that top 1000 students will be called, top 2000 students will be called. No, there is the cutoff is mentioned here, clearly mentioned. For phase 2, there is descriptive English. Similar to RBI grade B, the cutoff is 30%. The cutoff is 30% for phase 2, and 40% descriptive paper for descriptive paper it is 30%, and 40% for the this exam, the similar to this one, the general stream exam here, the commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, companies act, and economics. So 40 minutes will be given for that paper 2, and 60 minutes would be given for the paper 1. The weightage is 1/3 for this English descriptive and 2/3 for general stream, right? So the 100 marks are there. The 100 marks become 33.333, and these whatever you achieve here, that will become 66.6667, right? So let's say if you score, let's say 60 marks in that paper 2, that it'll be done like this. It'll be 2/3. So your final score would be 40, right? So the weight is given, 2/3 weight is given to the paper 2, 1/3 weight is given to the paper 1. The aggregate cutoff is 40%. If you're able to score 40% here, you'll be eligible for the interviews. So 40% is doable. In RBI grade B, the cutoff was, I think, beyond 55%. In most of these highly competitive exams, nowadays the cutoff is 55-60%, but here the cutoff is just 40%, which is achievable, right? And the service conditions. So even for the students, for the SC/ST category candidates, I mean, that is, I won't say that is amazing, but the SC/ST category candidates, even they need to score 40% here. There is no relaxation here. I mean, the cutoff is clearly mentioned. Score 40%, then you're eligible for the interviews, right? So that is actually nice. The service conditions, 2 years of probation is there, 2-year probation is there, and the pay scale is mentioned here. And then syllabus, for the syllabus is mentioned on that official notification, which is really amazing. On that RBI and the NABARD's official syllabus is not clear, but SEBI's official syllabus is clear. Commerce and accounting, basics of accounting, accounting principles, the chapters like depreciation, inventory, revenue recognition, basic principles, right? Cash flow statement, fund flow statement, financial statement analysis, ratio analysis, share capital is there, company accounts is there, ESOPs, buyback is there, final account is there. So very, very easy. +2 level account, 10+2 level account is there. Management, the syllabus is totally similar to RBI grade B ka management, right? The planning, organizing, staffing, directing, role of manager, leadership, HRM, motivation is there, and then communication. So syllabus is little, I would say, the RBI syllabus is little more vast, I would say, but the syllabus of this this exam is less than the RBI grade B's management, right? The finance is there, the financial systems, financial markets, the primary, secondary market, the general topics, the derivative, recent development, financial inclusion. Similar to RBI grade B's FM, but I don't think there will be any numericals, right? So quite easy. I'm already doing capsules for that. I'm already making the digest on financial markets. Please check on bankexamstudy.com. It's available for free. Many of that topics are available for free. I'm going to teach it myself. Costing, this is something new. So if you are preparing for RBI grade B, NABARD grade A, or any other exam, this is something new. I'm going to teach it. The cost accounting, simple job costing, contract costing, process operation costing, service costing, standard costing, marginal costing, budgetary control. Limited topics are there. Just in time, case in costing, TPM can be done within 4 to 5 days. Very, very easy. Companies Act is there. From the last year, I would say the syllabus is a little easier. The cutoff is going to be lower. So as compared to previous year, there is higher probability to crack the first 2 phases to reach the interview level, right? I mean, this year I can expect this. So Companies Act we are going to cover. Economics, demand, supply, market structure, national income, Keynesian approach, the consumption function, multiplier, demand, supply, inflation, Philip curve, business cycle, balance of payment. So all these, I mean, the microeconomics, we have already covered that. I have already covered that for RBI grade B as well. Management I have already covered for RBI grade B. Costing I'm going to start. Finance I have already covered. Most of the portions I have already covered for RBI grade B. And yes, I have already started now SEBI grade A 2020 exam course. I already started it 2 months back. It's already available on bankexamstoday.com. We are already doing that. So there are video classes for both the phases, for phase 1 and phase 2. We are providing study material, proper study material. We are preparing the course for the updated syllabus, right? And we are updating the course on a daily basis, and there will be test series, quizzes will be there, and we got 9 final selections in SEBI Grade A 2018. That was the first time we did the SEBI Grade A course, and this is the second time we are doing it, and we have an amazing track record. We had less than 40 students in our course in 2018, and we got 9 selections, which is an amazing selection ratio, I would say. So you can directly go to bankexamstoday.com. and you can join our SEBI Grade A 2020 course by Team Bank Exams Today. List of students who cracked IBPS, RRB, GBO, Scale 2, Scale 3 exam using our course, available on bankexamstoday.com. All these students, they used our courses for Bank of Baroda, Wealth Management, NABARD Grade A, RBI Grade B. These are the students who used our courses and they finally cracked the exam. Sudhanshu, I mean, I know them personally now. So that's all for today, students. I hope you liked that the way I analyzed this, notification. I'll be sharing a lot of amazing study material on this channel every day and on my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel name is again Bank Exams Today. And if you are having any doubt regarding the course, if there is any doubt in your mind regarding the course, this is for Telegram. And if you are having any doubt regarding this course, you can directly WhatsApp me. You can WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is 906720100. That is my WhatsApp number. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very, very nice day. I'll be back in the evening at 5:30 o'clock, right? Just follow me on Bank Exams Today. I'll be sharing notification on Telegram. So that's all for today. Press the like button, subscribe my channel, and subscribe to the notification so that you can get amazing study material related to the SEBI Grade A on a regular basis on this channel. So course fee is just 3,999. PGDBM, you are eligible, right? MBAs are eligible, yes. PGDBM MBAs, you are eligible, right? So course fee, you cannot apply for 2 posts because the exam is going to be held on the same day. 2 posts ke liye you cannot apply. You cannot apply for 2 posts. Waste of ₹1,000 for, don't say that if it is a waste of 1,000. No, no. Apply for that if you feel like yes, bank ki requirement hai koi. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. I hope I have answered all your doubts. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very, very nice day. Bye.